Hello, my name is Keshwani. K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. I'm going to help you solve the math SAT problems out of this book, the official SAT study guide. You must have it because I do not have the luxury of writing the problem on the blackboard. I'm going to read the problem to you and you have to follow with me the problem in your book as I read it. So you have to have the book. Right now I'm going to solve a problem that appears in the very first exam in that official guide, official SAT study guide. Section number 3, page 399, question number 17. This is the notation that I use. Alright? So let's begin. After watching the clip, if you would like to send me a comment, or if you would like to purchase the DVD that I make, I would love to hear from you. And you can send me the email by going to my website, which is www.prep, FOR4, SAT.com, prep for SAT.com. Let's begin. Number 17 is what I'm going to do. It says that if A plus 2 times x plus 1 equals S, then what is the value of x plus 1? And then it goes on to say in terms of S and A. Whenever the problem appears like this, what is the value of such and such variable in terms of P, Q, and R, or in terms of A, B, and C, in terms of X, Y, and Z, you will always hear me refer to that portion of the problem as, and I'm going to use a very technical term here, I refer to that portion of the problem where it's that in terms of this and this and that, I would refer to this as mumbo jumbo. You do not need it, you do not want it, you do not want to deal with it. Just ignore it. The problem simply is, what is the value of x plus 1? Now, a lot of the math teachers will tell you to solve this problem for x and then find out what x plus 1 equals to in terms of these variables and so forth. Don't worry about that. Just we're going to solve for x plus 1. This is right here. Is this guy. What do I need to do? Well, these are numbers. This is some constant and this is some constant. For example, if this were 10 and this were, let's say, 16, say for example, then the problem would have read like this. 10 plus 2 times x plus 1 equals 16. What's the very first thing you would have done? Well, we would have subtracted 10 from both sides. Get rid of the 10 and we end up with 2 times x plus 1 equals 6. And then therefore x plus 1, to find that value, you simply divide both sides by 2. Here you go. Your x plus 1 equals 3. Only if A were 10 and S were 16. But that is not the case. We don't have the value for A and S, so we have to solve with the variables. Hence the expression in terms of A and S. But don't freak out about that. That when you hear this nerdy language, this geeky language, just ignore it. I'm just going to solve for x plus 1 just like I did a second ago. So here we go. Subtract A from both sides. So A goes out here, and on this side we end up with 2 times x plus 1 equals, and on the other side, before I had 16 and 10, so we had subtracted 10 from the 16, but we don't have numbers right now, we have variables, so it's just going to be S minus A. Now we want to solve for x plus A. Well, what do I need to do? Divide both sides by 2, just like before. There you go. And that's it, you're done. This is it, this is your answer. Whichever answer choice agrees with that answer, that expression there is what you're looking for. Well, looks like B is the answer. That's it. Again, this is from exam number 1. There are 8 exams in the book. Section number 3, which happens to be the very first math section in the exam. On page number 399, question number 17. That's it. It's very simple. And I'm going to solve every, well, I will try to do as many problems from each of the exams as I can. Hopefully every single one of them. And you will see that, well, the reason I say hopefully is because I don't want to spend time, your time and my time solving problem number 1, 2, 3. Those are easy problems. SAT is a standardized exam. And one of the characteristics of a standardized exam is that all the problems are arranged in the order of difficulty. The first 1/3 are easy in a given section. The next 1/3 are medium. And the last 1/3 are hard. In this particular section, there are 20 questions, which means that approximately the first 7 are easy. The next 7 are medium. And the last 7 are hard. I probably will not spend the time solving the first 5, 6 problems because they're very simple. If you do have a problem with any of those problems, send me an email and I'll be happy to walk you through those problems on the telephone and help you out however I can. Alright? But anyway, this is how you can get rid of get hold of me, not get rid of me, I hope not. This is how you can get hold of me. Send me an email from this website, www.prep4sat.com. The reason I give you my website and not my email address is because it is my website that I'm trying to promote, not my email address. So go to that website, find a link for my email, just anywhere where you said email us, and you will get hold of it will come directly to me. If you would like to speak with me directly on the phone number is 1-860-933-1017. I'm located in Hartford, Connecticut, and if you need help, I would love to help you. Thank you again for watching.